Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to fight the pollution and save lives of women and children. Your donations will be used to print the poster for display, to put in the street and in the shopping centers. We must put an end to pollution because humans need the earth breathing. This will allow the people to live in a better world and breathe good air. Did you know that pollution in air is negative for the environment? Did you know that pollution is bad for the health of the living being? Did you know that pollution in air has a negative effect in your society? We must stop the pollution. Mobilize us to make our environment cleaner. Please join us in a fight against the pollution. We count on you to pass the message. In advance, thank you for your help. Zero Food.
We invite you to join your fight and advocacy against pollution in oceans. Did you know that 80% of marine pollution comes from terrestrial origin? Did you know that there are now only 10% of large fish left? Did you know that there are more than 2,045 million tons of water in Europe? Your goal is to raise funds to continue your mission to fight pollution in oceans and save lives of marine animals who are being poisoned because they are washed in the water. We must act with a sense of urgency because animals will die. If you care about your animals, please come and join us to support the cause that may help prevent the humanity. Did you know that pollution in ocean has a negative effect in your society? Marine life and the ecosystem are that in being affected the most. Animals eat the plastic or waste caught up in it. We need to come together like one voice. We must stop the pollution ocean. The time is now. They must come together now before another innocent animals. Please join us in our fight against pollution in ocean. We can't do it without you. In advance, we thank you for your help, the Ocean team.
Did you know that child abandon has a negative effect in your child? Did you know that child is very sad and lost? Stop Abandonment raise funds to continue your mission to fight child orphans who have been abandoned. We must act with a sense of urgency to reduce child abandonment. Please come and join us to support the cause of abandonment. Help, come and see us. There is 40 abandoned children among 2014 and 2015. Most children grow without parents. These children suffer. Please join us in your fight against child orphans. We must stop child abandonment. The time is now. We need to come together with one voice. Stop abandonment.
Do you know that in 1 minute are destroyed in our forest? Do you know that 2003 forest Amazonian is destroyed? Do you know that deforestation has negative effect in society? Invited you to join our fight and advocacy against deforestation. Your goal to raise funds to continue our mission to fight deforestation and save lives of you have been destroyed to paper and 13. our donation will be used against deforestation. We must act right and sense urgent because animals innocent great. If you care forest and animals whose lives come and join to support the cause that may help prevent deforestation. If you care animal victims of deforestation, help and see use. The consequence is leave animals forest. We need come together with one voice stop deforestation. We must stop the deforestation running its children's future. The time is now. We must come together wow, before another innocent animal is dead. Please join us in fight against deforestation. We can't do it with you. It's advance. We thank you for your help. The time anti-deforestation.
Did you know that in 2055 there are been more of 2,000 actions and 3 racist in French? Did you know that the action racism has increased of 22% in 2055 compared in 2054? My association is a Nancy Zakhaled. Stop the racism for arrest the action racism. Stop the racism and invite you to join our fight and advocacy against racism. Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to fight racism. If you are a victim of abuse and don't know where to go for help, come and see us. Racism has a negative effect in our society. We need to come together with one voice, stop the racism. We must stop the racism. Please join us in our fight against racism. We can't do it without you. In advance, wow. Thank you for your help. The Stop the Racism team.
Did you know that there are 1 million diseases of year? Did you know that each house 99% receive product blood? Red Life is an association from Nancy with 25 volunteers. Red Life invites you to join our fight and advocacy for donation of blood. Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission for the donation of blood and save lives of many people who need blood. Your donations will be used to buy material and trucks to collect blood everywhere in our country. If you care about your family or your friends, please come and join us to support the cause that may help prevent diseases of blood. If you want to help us, come and give your blood. We must stop to die without donation. The time is now. We must come together now before another dead and give us blood. Please join us in our fight for donation of blood. We can do without you. In advance, we thank you for your help. The Red Life Team.
Did you know that 700,600 students suffer school bullying? Did you know that 22% of children harassed not tell anyone? Did you know that 61% of harassed report having suicidal thoughts? Our goal is to raise the most possible people to bullying by making intervention in school. We must act with a sense of urgency because the innocent victims are in great danger. If you are a victim of school bullying and don't know where to go for help, contact our association Stop School Bullying. The school bullying can leave physical and mental trauma that the victim carry on throughout the rest of their lives. If you rejoin our association against the school bullying, we can do react the stalker or the future stalkers before that it become more serious. In advance, we thank you for your help.
Did you know that Islamophobia has a negative effect in your society? Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to fight racism and save life of victims. Your donation will be used for the printing a poster against racism. If you care about your friend and your neighbor, please come and join to support the cause that may help prevent battery, abuse and deaths in your community. If you are a victim of abuse and don't know where to go for help, come and see us. Most Muslims suffer from physical and mental trauma which they carry on through the rest of their life. We must stop Islamophobia and racism. The time is now. We must come together now before another innocent victim will be hit in your neighborhood. Please join us in your fight against Islamophobia. We can do it with you. In advance, we thank you for your help.
Did you know that 600,000 in the USA are homeless? Over the 500,000 people were living on the streets, in a car, in a homeless center. Did you know that 80% of the homeless population are veterans and 3% are the women veterans? The Little Brother Homeless invites you to join our fight and advocacy against injustice. Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to save the homeless who have been persecuted in the streets. Your donation will be used to find home for the homeless. We must act with urgency because lots of families in the world haven't got home or place to stay. In 2012, 3 million people are homeless. That is amazing.
The Animals Protection invites you to join our fight and advocacy against animal violence. Our association is in Paris. Founded in 2000, our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to fight animal violence and save life of animals who have been killed because of destruction of their environment. Your donation will be used for breeding new habitation for animals and make publicity to save them. We must act with a sense of urgency because animals can die. If you care about animals, please come and join us to support the cause that may help prevent battery and other deaths. If you witness of animal violence, come and see us. Did you know that 11 domestic animals are abandoned each hour and that 19 species are killed by hunters each year? We must stop it. A lot of animals have died because of humans. They are depleting our local resources without knowing it. The time is now. We must come together now before another animal will be found dead. Please join us fight against animal violence. We can't do it without you.
Did you know that 33% the children suffer of violence, physical? Did you know that 24% the children suffer of violence sexual? So, SOS Village Children invited. So, SOS Village Children invite you to join your fight and advocacy against children exposure to violence. Our goal is to raise funds to continue your mission to fight children exposure to violence and save lives in children who have been treated because of separation from their parents. Your donation will be used to protect the children in France. We must act with a sense of urgency because every day 2 children die from physical, sexual or psychological violence. If you care about your family, friends, and your children, please come and join us to support the cause that may help prevent violence, abuse, and deaths in your community. Did you know that children exposure to them has a negative effect in your society? Most children, because violence is very violent, we need to come together with one voice. Children exposure to violence, we must stop the violence that is tearing family apart, running a child. The time is now. Please join us in your fight against children exposure to violence. We can't do it without you. In advance, we thank you for your help. The SOS Village Children Time.
We invited you to join our fight and advocacy against animal farming. Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to promote the vegetarianism and save the lives of animals. If you care about your alimentation and the animals, please come on and join us to support the cause that may help stop raising animals for food. Did you know that eating meat has a negative effect on our health and the environment? Did you also know that eating meat gives diseases such as cancer or cardiovascular problems? We must to stop consuming original product animals for the food. We must to stop consuming original products animals for the good of the environment and our health is eat vegan. The time is now. We can't do it without you. In advance, we thank you for your help. In advance, we thank you for your help.
Did you know that 80% women are victims of sexism in France and in 2015? Did you know that 40% women say they have been victims of sexism? Invite you to join our fight and advocacy against sexism. Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to fight sexism and save lives of people who have suffered. We must act with a sense of urgency because our innocents are victims. If you are victims of abuse and don't know where to go for help, come and see us. Victims will suffer from physical and mental trauma which carries the rest of their lives. We need to come together with one voice. We must stop the sexism. The time is now. We must come together now before our victims face sexism. Please join us in the fight against sexism. We can do it without you. In advance, we thank you for your help.
Did you know that death penalty has a negative effect in your society? The death penalty invites you to join our fight and advocacy against death penalty. Our goal is to raise funds to continue our mission to fight the death penalty and save lives of people, not crime. If you care about your family, your friends, and your neighbor, please come and join us. If you are a victim of execution by the death penalty and don't know where to go If you care about your family, your friends and your neighbor, please come and join us. If you are a victim of execution by the death penalty and don't know where to go for help, come and see us. We need to come together with one voice against the death penalty. In advance, we thank you for help. The death penalty team.
SPA invites you to join your friends and advocacy and get save animals. You go in the two ways found to continue our mission, save animals and save life of animals who have been gave up because people abandon them. Your donation will be used to help animals and save. We must act right and save of urgence because innocent animals danger in the street. If you care about abandoned and death of the animals, please come and join us to support the cause that may help. We must stop the violence and these animals. The time is now. We must come together now before another innocent animals will be found dead. Please join us. You fight against animal violence. We can too. I want